Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find discount products in the Flink app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Flink app. And here your first option is this percent icon. If you tap on it, then you will find some discounts, and on the pictures top right corner you will see the percentage with how much is discounted this item. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.